Hi guys, welcome to Itza Nails. In today's video, I'm going to try to show you how it is that I remove previous design and do a new design on these. So hopefully they don't break and they work and my plan goes as planned. So stay tuned and I will continue. So for removing my nails, I normally use my electric nail file. You can use any file of your choosing. This is the one that I've had for several years. And the bit that I'm having right now, the one that I start at the cuticle area, is a carbide safety bit. It's a medium. So that's what I'm going to start first to kind of thin down this area. And since I'm going to do a complete redesign, I am going to remove as much of the acrylic on all of these nails, and then I will try to preserve the tip as well. So before I actually proceed, and so that I don't get down to damage the actual tip, since I still have the protection of the acrylic, I actually am going to go, because my nails are very long, now that I turn them around, I'm going to kind of thin them out and clean them with the football bit, which is this one that you see right here. And not a too fast of a speed. Just like that. Now I'm going to switch tips and move to the safety bit. And when I use the safety bit, I usually do it to get close to my cuticle area. And as you can see, I haven't had any lifting on these nails. That's also good. Here I have removed the acrylic, the previous design, and I shaped them into more of an almond. So now I am going to proceed to prepare my nail. I am so excited and happy that this is so far my third set using the same tips. I am so happy with this nail glue that I'm using. I made a video talking about it. Well, it was a haul video where I included it. I'll link it up at the info card so you guys can go check it out. Anyways, I am preparing my nails as usual to do the first coat of clear acrylic. That's what I always do when I do my nails. Especially if I'm going to do any nails with glitters, colors, I always put a clear bead of acrylic. Now I'm using my own dehydrator. I made it. I can show you guys. It's very simple, and basically I made my own because I got tired of paying high prices for a dehydrator and it gets contaminated really quickly. Basically, contamination of a hydrator or any product is when you get dust into it, and being that this is something used quite frequently, if you get dust or any particles into it, then it can also cause lifting. So I make my own, and that's also more affordable than purchasing. But anyways, I am going to start up to apply my clear acrylic. And for it, I use organic clear powder is what I have here. And again, I'm going to use my organic liquid. And honestly, I do not know what design I'm going to do yet. I'm not quite sure. This is my primer. I'm using the primer from Organic also, or the protein bond, how they call it. Sorry for the noise. But I don't really know exactly what I'm doing. I have an idea. I want something more simple that I want to do. That's what I do know. I went from something very colorful to something more simple in the nude family. And I'm cleaning my brush in a clean area of my towel before I stick it into my bottle. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to be using this brush right here, which is a number 10 from Alpha Brush. So I always use a clear bead of acrylic whenever I'm doing my nails, because it just makes it easier for when I'm removing the set and when I'm gonna do a refill or a change of design rather. It's always easier to have that clear base of acrylic. It just makes it easier and it protects my natural nail for when I'm filing. Okay, so now for the acrylic, I'm thinking about using this. Like I said, is a very, very neutral nude color. It's Lady Petal from Ladybug Nails. And I'm thinking about doing this called Lady Rose in one of the nails as an accent. But then again, I'm also thinking about doing in chrome. I'm not quite sure, so I'm going to do them first, lay it down the acrylic and see how I feel at the end. So let's get started. you.